Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's lesson is about multiplication of a mixed fraction by a mixed fraction. But before starting that, let's learn first on how to change a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. A fraction like 3 over 7, it's a mixed fraction simply because it has a part of a whole number and the fraction part. Therefore, let's now change it to what we call improper fraction. To convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction, you multiply this denominator with the whole number there. Therefore, 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. After getting 21, we add to the numerator. So now plus 3, it becomes 24. Therefore, our new fraction will be 24 over 7. This is what you call changing a fraction into improper fraction. Let's do a second question. 4.5. We want us to change this one into an improper fraction. Remember, this is a whole number and this is the fraction part. Therefore, we are saying we multiply the denominator with the whole number, which is 2 multiplied by 4. It's 8. And then we add our numerator, which is 1. It becomes 9. Remember, our denominator was 2. And by this now, we have converted our mixed fraction to improper fraction. Let's also change the following into the improper fraction. 1.3. So we are saying the first thing, you pick the denominator, you multiply it with the whole number. So 3 multiplied by 1, it's 3. Then whatever you get, you add here. So 3 times 1, it's 3, plus 1, it's 4. So for the numerator, we have 4, and our denominator remains the way it was, which is 3. Now we have changed 1.3 into improper fraction, which is 4 out of 3. Let's do another example. So let's convert 2 and 3 over 5 into improper fraction. We said that we pick the denominator multiplied by the whole number. So 5 multiplied by 2, it's 10. Then 10 plus our numerator here, which is 3, becomes 13 over 5. This concept of improper fraction, we are going to use it when multiplying a mixed fraction by a mixed fraction. Let's start now the multiplication. Now let's work out this multiplication of a mixed fraction by a mixed fraction. The first step is you change the mixed fraction into improper fraction, what we have just done. So let's change this fraction into improper fraction by saying 1. So 1 times 4, it's 4. Plus 3, it's 7. So 7 out of 4. Also, let's change the other mixed fraction into improper fraction. 11 times 1, it's 11. Plus 1, it's 12 out of 11. Once we convert them into improper fraction, now we start doing multiplication. So it is 7 over 4 multiplied by 12 over 11. Right now, we are free now to do what we call cross multiplication. So by 4 is 1, by 4 it's 3. 11 and 7, they don't have a common divisor, so we just leave them like that. After that, now we multiply numerator by numerator, which is 7 times 3, it's 21. And 1 times 11, it's 11. Our answer, as you can see, is in improper fraction. Now we change it now into mixed fraction. Remember, in fraction, we are only allowed to leave our answer in simplified form. So let's simplify this. It's numerator divided by denominator. And our numerator is the dividend. So our dividend is there, divided by our divisor, which is 11. 21 divided by 11, it goes 1 time because of 11. So when take away 1, take away 1, it's 0. 2 take away 1, it's 1. This one is our remainder. So therefore, our quotient here, our answer here, which is the quotient, becomes the whole number, and our remainder here takes the part of the fraction over the divisor. Therefore, our answer is 1 whole and 10 over 11. So our first step, we are changing our mixed fraction to improper fraction. Let's change the first fraction here. So 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 1 is 16. Now over 3. Multiplied by, let's change the mixed fraction here to improper fraction. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Therefore, it's 5 over 2. After that, now we are doing cross multiplication. By 2 it's 1. By 2 it's 8. 8 times 5 is 40. And 3 times 1 is 3. After reaching there, our answer is in improper fraction. So never leave your answer in this kind of a form. So now we simplify it by saying numerator divide by denominator. Our numerator is the dividend. Our denominator is the divisor. So it's 40, our dividend, divide by our divisor, 3. How many times does 3 go into 4? 1, because of 3. So 4 take away 3 is 1, and you drop our 0 there, it becomes 10. 10 divided by 3, it's 3 because of 9. Remember 3 times 3, it's 9. Therefore, we take away 10, take away 9, it's 1. So our whole number is our quotient, which is 13. Therefore, our answer is 13, and our remainder here becomes the numerator divided by our divisor, which is 3. And our answer is 13 and a third. Let's also do another example. Here there's a mixed fraction. So the first step, you're converting it to improper fraction. So denominator, which is 21, multiplied by the whole number, which is 1. 21 times 1 is 21, plus our numerator, 21 plus 5, it becomes 26 out of 21. Multiplied by, let's change this one to improper fraction. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 5. So 16 plus 5, 6 plus 5 is 1. Carry 1, 21. Therefore, shall be 21 out of 8. We do what we call cross multiplication. So here, we say by 21, 1, by 21, 1. By 2, 4, by 2, 13. Now, we are left with 13 times 1, which is 13. And 1 times 4, which is 4. 13 divided by 4. So, our dividend is 13, and our divisor is 4. 13 divided by 4, it goes 3 times because of 12. When you take away 3, take away 2, it's 1. Our remainder is 1. Therefore, our quotient becomes the whole number, and our remainder, we express it as a fraction over the divisor. And the answer is 3 1/4. I wish you the best, and kindly remember to subscribe to my channel. Also practice. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you.